What's up, guys? I'm Ricky Havoc. Welcome to Loose Nuts Off-Road. In today's video, Auxito LED sent me some new headlight bulbs. We're going to swap out our halogen bulbs and swap in these LEDs, and I'm going to give you my general first impressions. Let's check it out. So the general packaging of these Auxito LED headlight bulbs are pretty cool. Just your standard packaging. Once you start getting into the box, the first thing you pull out is going to be a set of gloves. It's awesome they include gloves, but they're way too small for my hands. Then it gives you a user manual. The user manual just kind of breaks down specs of the lights itself. And then you have the LED light bulbs themselves. For the price point, these run about 50 bucks. I'm going to leave a link in the description. It's an affiliate link. You get 10% off if you order through that link. So give it a shot. Pretty cool. I'm going to show you the first clip with the halogen and the LED side by side. This is the wrong way to install an LED. This is actually clocked where the light bulb is facing. The LED diode is facing 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock. The diode should be facing 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. During the test drive, just going around the block, they're super bright. They're a lot brighter than my halogens. I am curious to see how they're going to play out during the rain and how they're going to play out during the snow. I'm pretty sure that they're going to wash out in the snow and the rain. Yeah, overall general first impressions, they're bright, a lot brighter than halogen. They're affordable. I think it's worth giving them a shot. If you could do me a favor, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's going to be a couple more review videos coming out. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think of these. What would you like to see improved on? Would you not like to see these at all? Let me know. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out.